Welcome to TJUT Digitals. Hello there, you're welcome once again to this video presentation. This TJUT of TJUT Digitals. Alright, this video I want to show us how you can use the WhatsApp auto reply features effectively. How you can use those features to assist you when you are doing to assist you in your activities and your business that you're doing on WhatsApp. Okay, the first thing is you need WhatsApp Business, because these features are available only on WhatsApp Business. If you have the normal WhatsApp Messenger, you might not be able to access these features. Okay, we'll go right away to WhatsApp Business. Okay, once you're on WhatsApp Business, there are two ways to access these features. You can either click here at the top left corner, this icon at the top left corner, to access the business features, and then you come down, you see messaging. The first feature on messaging is greeting message. Here you write the message that you want your customers or your clients to receive for the first time they are contacting you, or when they have been away for about 14 days. Each time they want to contact you after 14 days, they're going to receive this message. So you can customize the message to what you want. It can be a greeting message, including your introduction to your business or whatever you're doing. And then you customize it here. And once you're done, you simply take OK. And it is saved and it's good to go. Each time a new audience or a new client is contacting you, is going to receive this particular message automatically. And this one is when you are online. Even when you are not online, the moment you come online, the person is going to receive this greeting message from you. Okay, the next one is an away message. An away message is a message when you are unavailable. When you are unavailable, probably you are offline or you are out of network. When a client contacts you or whoever contacts you at that time is going to receive this particular message. What you do is simply on it here, and then you can edit the message. This is the default message. Say thank you for your message. We are unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. You can change the message to whatever you want it to be. What you want to tell your clients when you are not available. Probably you might want to redirect them to another number, to another WhatsApp. When this one is unavailable, simply put the link there. You might want to redirect them to a website. So simply put the link here. You might want to redirect them maybe to a group or to any other external platform where they can get help while you are away. You can customize this message and put it there. And each time they contact you when you are unavailable, automatically WhatsApp sends them this message. And once you are done, you simply take on save save here, and it's ready to go. Another one is a quick reply. Here you simply because you might not be all the time on the phone to reply to people, so you might customize a particular message that each time somebody writes that particular message, WhatsApp will quickly reply them. So here you can see, when you click here, you say shortcut, you say a word that will quickly retrieve this reply. This is the word. You say thanks, which means that each time somebody say thanks to you on WhatsApp, sends thanks to you, is going to receive this reply message. And the reply message says, "Oh, thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you again." So this is an example or a default quick message. You can as well change this depending on you or exactly what you need. You can put a different message here. Maybe here, if somebody says, "I'm interested," which message should he receive? Okay, if somebody writes up here, "I'm interested," and then maybe the reply might be, "Thanks for your interest. Follow so and so link to do so and so," or "Follow so and so link to purchase the goods. Follow this link to join the WhatsApp group," and so on and so forth. You can place that right here, and when you're done, you simply take on what? Save, and it's active already and it's good to go. So that's exactly how you can go about it. This is one of the ways you can access this. Probably if you come to maybe your chat, another way is you come to these three dots, you go to your settings, and then you take on business tools. Once you're on business tools, it takes you to the same place for this. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and kindly remember to subscribe to our channel, share the message, and like. You can leave us a comment at the comment section.